Hello, my name is Allison Jones. I recently graduated cybertex I graduated in June, I believe, and then walked the stage like a month ago. So I'll just tell you a little about myself. I'm a mother now of one, and when I decided to go to cybertex, I had quit my job at the time and decided I wanted to go back to school. I went to this job fair here in Killeen, and I was like, I want to find a job. And I thought the job fair would be like something easy, quick, like a Chipotle or like a Walmart or a Sam's Club or something. But no, the job fair was more like police officer, military, medical assisting. So I went in, and I wish I could say names, but I completely forgot her name. But one of the ladies that work here were at the stand, and I talked to her, and she was like, would you like to be a medical assistant? And I was like, no, but like I just, I've always wanted to be in the medical field, but I didn't know that it was my time to do it. So I talked to them, and they were like, you can start next month. And I was like, I don't know, it's been a while since I've been to college. Went to college for about a year. Finished that one, but quickly realized that degree wasn't for me. So I didn't finish college and went back home. So I'm already having some student debt there. But I was like, no, I'm not gonna get my financial aid again and go through the whole like grant stuff. But at that time, like, they really had me thinking, oh, okay, I can do this, go back to school. It was a quick little 10-month thing, which actually was like a whole year. So at this time I was 2 months pregnant, and I was also thinking like, oh, I don't know if I have the time or energy, but I did it. Went like 3 days later, maybe two, to cybertex and went to the financial aid office. The lady was super nice, super sweet. It was quick. They did my financial aid, like helped me apply. It's been a long time since I've went on FAFSA, and I can't even remember if the last time I went on, I did it myself. So they were very helpful with helping me apply for it. And next thing you know, I'm enrolled in cybertex, and I'm going to school again. So I'm like, oh yeah, I'm in school. Like, it felt really great. The process was really good because the first class was a month, the second was 3, and the third one was 4. So shout out to all the teachers. They were really nice and really good with me. And it's nice because the first class is like a month, so you really get to dip your toes in and realize how it's going. And at that time, throughout the process, everybody got to see me be pregnant, and inevitably the studying, it was hard at times, but I did continue to tell myself that this is what I want. Like I said, I've seen myself be in the medical field, but just didn't really see that I would actually do it. I'm like, oh, it takes like 4 or 5 years to do something like that, but here I am, by the grace of God, doing it. And the studying did get hard at times, but I would sit at my desk, open up a window, and play some lo-fi music and just study. And I actually started retaining the information. Got some flashcards, sent them out to myself, and actually retained it. And next thing you know, I'm passing tests and retaining information. So I'm like, wow, I can do this. So I ended up finishing, graduating. Miss Ludi was really good with keeping up with me to help me get interviews and apply for jobs. They would send jobs to you and apply to them. You end up getting to this point where after school, you're like, okay, you do your externship. The externship was great, being able to be in a clinic, and that was really what made me realize that it was really what I wanted to do. Because when you have your lab days here and you learn how to do injections and learn how to draw blood, it's so fun. And then when you're actually in the clinic and having patients and interacting with patients and interacting with the workers and the doctors, it's like, wow, like, I want to work under a provider that will keep me, and I'm just helping out with the whole team and find a place I can call home. So I loved it there. And after the fact, you kind of hit this point where you're like, okay, now I have to start applying for jobs. And at a point, it can make you feel, okay, some places, it's hard to get on some places when you don't have a lot of experience. But I went to this urgent care once and asked them if they were hiring, and the guy was like, you know, a lot of jobs don't hire without experience. And I'm like, yeah, it's hard to get on places without experience. But he encouraged me to do volunteer hours and volunteer at places so it can be good on my resume. Never did it, but that's good advice if you are in that trouble. So I continued to apply. Ended up applying for Town Park, which is the job I work at now, through Baylor Scott & White. And I'm like, okay, I will work there. It's a good stepping stone to get my foot in the hospital. But I still continue to apply for jobs. So now I'm currently about to work at CN Hospital as a medical assistant. And it's just so amazing because sometimes it's easy to get discouraged and feel like you won't get the opportunities, but you got the certificate, you got the phlebotomy, you did the time, you learned the stuff, and now you just put yourself out there. And I truly have Cybertech to thank for that. And if I didn't go to that career fair that day, I would have never decided, okay, I'm just gonna do it and do something for myself. And then when I was actually in it, it's like, you know, there's no going back now. I already put the financial aid in and did the grant, and now I just have to show up at school, and inevitably I'm doing the job that I wanted to do, and that will only lead me to work with great people, great doctors, providers that can teach me and be able to take me to where I want to be, where I am getting the pay and getting the knowledge and getting the continuing education that I want, because it's like reflecting on my resume. So yes, if you're considering going back to school or going to Cybertech, and you know, a lot of people have said there's not much in Killeen, there's not, but when I find out that this school is right down the street from me and can get me where I need to go, and especially has many more programs like HVAC and other things that are really good jobs to get, do it. And don't doubt yourself, and just tell yourself, let me go sit, take in this information, study it, repeat it, take it in, practice on yourself, and the next thing you know, you're walking the stage and you have the credentials.